From factory to stationery store, the journey of a notebook. Have you ever wondered how your notebook is made? Today, we take you inside Lion Paper to follow the full journey of a beautifully crafted notebook. At Lion Paper, design is where it all begins. Our in-house creative team develops original collections. And we also specialize in OEM services, turning client-provided designs into premium, ready-to-ship products. Whether starting from scratch or realizing a client's vision, every detail is executed with precision and passion. Great notebooks start with great materials. Lion Paper sources certified papers, eco-friendly inks, and diverse cover materials. Before production, all materials undergo strict testing, from thickness and durability to print performance and sustainability. The process begins by cutting jumbo paper rolls into standardized sheets. Our high-precision printers bring every color and detail to life. Every printed batch is thoroughly inspected for alignment, color consistency, and clarity. An automatic counting machine ensures every notebook has the correct number of pages, no missing or duplicated sheets. Pages are cut to exact final dimensions for consistent edges and professional feel. Each sheet is punched with precision for cleaning, align binding. Rounded corners enhance user comfort and visual appeal. Covers, backs, and inner pages are sorted and aligned for binding. We offer spiral or twin wire binding options, both strong, smooth, and secure. Each product is safely packed in protective cartons, ready for shipment. For bulk orders, we prepare neatly stacked, forklift-ready pallet loads. Every carton is barcoded and labeled for easy tracking and warehouse management. Lion Paper follows strict international standards. Our notebooks meet ISO 9001, BSCI, CPSIA, and other global certifications. Over 5 million notebooks leave our facilities each year, delivered to clients across North America, Europe, and the Middle East. Our fast delivery and high customization capabilities keep us trusted by major brands and retailers worldwide. Come to Lion Paper. We turn your notebook ideas into high-quality products. Contact us today to bring your vision to life.